Hi, meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk about ski conditions here over the next 5 days. And obviously, here at the end of April, things are changing quickly. The spring melt is underway in a lot of mountain valleys, and new storms moving in from the west. The whole storm track shifting further to the north and weakening, and every storm is a little bit warmer. So the game now is you ski a lot of backcountry, you ski a lot of couloirs, corn conditions, corn snow, or you ski what resorts are still remaining open for the next month, month and a half. And here's the map I've got for the week. Accumulating snow up in the northeast. This just isn't a good pattern. It's getting too warm. You might have a little bit of snow Friday night, Saturday morning up into Maine, but out west, the storm track really favoring the Pacific Northwest up into parts of Whistler, the coastal range, and then over towards Banff. Banff is in really good. The whole area around Banff is in good shape here over the next 5 days. And two or three storms will roll across the Intermountain West, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, maybe parts of extreme, eastern Utah, the high Uintas into Colorado. Not much in store for California until like next week here. So if you were thinking about where to ski, the best odds of snow over the next 5 days, and I realize a lot of these resorts are closed now, but you kind of get the idea of some of the regional trends here. Up around the Pacific Northwest is good over the next 5 days to Banff, the interior, Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, into parts of the central and northern mountains of Colorado are in good shape. So those are the places that you're going to want to focus on over the next 5 days. So on Friday, I would look towards Banff or, something like that, that area for new snow. On Saturday, the Tetons, the Banff area for new snow. Parts of the central and northern mountains of Colorado might have a little bit of new snow. Wyoming, those backcountry areas around Teton Pass. And then for Sunday, it's kind of similar. You might look to those areas again, many of them, especially Montana. Wyoming will probably have the best odds there. And then on Monday, I would shoot for the central and northern mountains of Colorado. So have a good ski out there no matter what you end up doing. It's been a great season. Thank you for tuning in here.